My experience with the biology department at Hamilton has been fantastic. I've had the opportunity to work in a bunch of different labs, and all the professors are super willing to take on students and help you do some really cool research starting basically as soon as you arrive on campus.
The great thing about the biology curriculum is that you do get a lot of hands-on exposure in labs and lecture to all the different types of biology that there is. So I am doing this experiment to kind of make some kind of assessment of what's happening in our changing winter forests. So I'm looking at the relationship between snowfall and soil temperature.
These are going to go out in the open field in Rogers Glen right now, Tract 11. It's not super common in the forest right now, but with climate change, we're expecting it to become more and more common in forests around central New York. So we're sort of getting a head start with this species here on campus. Getting to involve the 20 students in my Bio 250 class, which is biodiversity, combating the biodiversity crisis, replanting native species in the forests around campus, has been a real pleasure. And just getting students really involved in things that they're passionate about and sustaining biodiversity has been a really fun part of the job on this first year.
I'm really hoping that when I come back to Hamilton in 20, 30 years, that there'll be a forest there that I know that I helped plant. That would be really amazing.